Dear viewers, investors are always looking out for formula to succeed in their investment, and there are countless formulas which are available. Today I am going to talk to you about one very powerful formula practiced by several successful investors, which includes Warren Buffett too. It answers to the name 3C formula for success in investment. This is NRI Money Clinic for you, and I am Dr. Chandrakant Bhatt, investment consultant and a financial planner.
NRI Money Clinic. No hype, just the right advice.
Dear viewers, continue to watch this episode till the end as I describe to you the different parts of this formula called the 3C formula for you to succeed in the investment journey. What is this 3C formula? Let me explain point by point. The first C in this formula of 3C stands for conviction. Unless you have a conviction in an investment ideas, it is prone for failure. Conviction is not a simple belief system. Conviction should emerge from a proper research about what you are trying to do. Why do you feel this is a compelling case for me to invest? If you are looking about a stock or sector or whatever it is, why do you think this investment will succeed? Is it a great idea? Is it something which is new? Is it something that is going to take over the world for next 5-10 years? Will this company be surely existing for next 5, 10, 15 years? Will this company be knocked down by the changes that might come because of the technology? How efficient is the company's management? How does this company changes its policy as per the changing situation on the ground? What is the stage of the market you are right now? Are the valuations very favorable for you, or the markets have gone through a lot of run up? Maybe it's time the markets will take a pause, or it will go for a downturn, or markets have fallen for a long period of time. It's time the market will stop falling and maybe it will stabilize and move up from here. So each and every question has to be answered with a clear yes. Your conviction comes from proper research. Otherwise, it just becomes a simple belief without supporting documents or supporting answers behind this. So develop a conviction. Unless you have a conviction, the chances of you hitting success in investment field is very, very less. So conviction becomes the bedrock of success in investment journey. Now let's assume that you have got the conviction. You are convinced beyond doubt that this is something that I have to do. This is something on which I have to commit my money. But what if you miss the second C? The second C answers to the word courage. It's just not sufficient that you have a conviction. There are countless people here who have conviction that something has to be done, that they have to bet their money on this. But will they bet their money on this? The answer is no. What is missing there? The missing part is the courage part of it. Yes, I am convinced, but I am also held back by the fear of failure. Yes, this is what it looks like to me. It might succeed, but what if I fail? The fear of failure holds them back. They have to ask the question, yes, this is very convincing, and what if I do something? Will it end my life? What are the probabilities of hitting success? What is the probability of things going wrong in spite of my conviction? If something goes wrong, then what are the chances that it can badly affect my life? Will it really end my life? If we can find answers, the proper answers for this question, then you can derive courage. It's just not sufficient that you have enough conviction. The conviction should also be married with courage. Without these two, it's just not possible for you to hit success. Is it just sufficient for you to have conviction and courage to create success? The answer is no. Just these two elements will not create success in your investment journey. There is a third C which has to be added to this to make it a success formula. What is this third C? The third C answers to the word the cash. I am extremely convinced. I am very bold. I am prepared to take that plunge. I am very courageous. I can take that bet without any hesitation. But if my bank balance is zero, then it does not work. So you should also have cash to deploy if you have a convincing idea and if you derive courage. If one of the ingredients in these three C's is missing, cash combined with courage and conviction, then you will not be hitting success. Has anybody hit success using this formula of three C's, cash combined with courage and conviction? If I look at the successful investors, one name stands out. In fact, most of the successful investors have followed this formula. One name, which is a household name, which is very common in investment parlance, is name of Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is a living example of cash combined with courage and conviction. Warren Buffett always maintains a cash chest. He always has cash. If an opportunity were to arise, while other people are not having cash to deploy at this point of time, but Warren Buffett has a war chest to grab to that particular opportunity. He is courageous, but his courage is not there every day. He derives courage when he has a convincing idea behind it. He keeps researching all the time and he makes a short list of companies or where he has to invest, keeps researching around that, wait for an opportune moment. He will not deploy cash day in and day out. He will wait for the market corrections to come in. He will look at the valuation. When he sees this is the best time to invest, he deploys that cash. Warren Buffett is a fine example of creating success using the 3C formula. As an investor, what prevents you from doing this formula in your own life to hit success? I would like to hear from you. What is that you are doing to create a conviction? What is happening in current marketplace? What is your conviction about what should be done in today's marketplace? Is it a good time to invest, or should you wait for some more time, or you should wait for the market to turn up and then you should invest? I would like to hear from you. Please comment below and let me know where does your conviction stand at this point of time. Dear viewers, if you are looking for a professional help to create a successful investment journey, our services are always available to you. Our contact number is shown here on the screens. You can reach to us through a WhatsApp message from any corner of the world. As a small request to all of you, please do not call us. Send us a WhatsApp message and our team will answer to you. If you are desirous of creating a successful investment journey, either myself or one of my team of financial planners will help you to create that journey for you. Dear viewers, hope the episode that I have done gave you a simple success story to hit success in your investment journey. Please like this video. If you are a person who is watching this episode for the first time, or if you are yet to subscribe for this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your near ones. Thank you very much for watching this episode on NRI Money Clinic. I shall be back with you with yet another topic in yet another video very soon.
Press the bell icon for more details and subscribe our channel.